Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 1989 Toyota pickup 2.4 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A pry bar, 1/2-inch impact wrench, 21mm socket, my universal engine oil drain plug wrench, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, cup type oil filter wrench, door panel remover, flat tip screwdriver, and my oil pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. Oil filter, 4 quarts of 530 conventional oil, and a can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. Okay, first I'm going to be opening up my engine oil filler cap. I'll be putting in my funnel. Now we're going to be going underneath the vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to be removing the engine oil drain plug. It's on the back of the engine on the passenger side. So I'm going to be putting back the drain plug, and I'm going to be reusing the old washer. Nothing wrong with reusing the old washer. Okay, so the filter is located underneath the passenger side intake manifold. Right there. So there's 2 ways you can do it. You can try to remove it from the top, from the engine compartment side, or you can remove the passenger front tire and get it through the fender well. So today I'm going to be removing it from the right front inner fender well. So I'm going to be removing the tire, and I'm going to be removing these 2 grommets that holds on this plastic piece so we can get access to the oil filter. Okay, so now we got access to the oil filter. So with my cup type oil filter wrench, I'm going to be unscrewing it. So I'm going to be putting some oil around my seal. That way when you spin it on, it just slides on. So now I'm going to be wiping up the block side. You got to make sure that there's no seal on the block. If there is, remove the seal. So I'm going to be wiping up the block and screwing on my filter. So I'm going to tighten it up. Put back this rubber piece. So I'm going to be putting on my tire. I'm going to be using my pry bar to lift the tire up. So I'm going to be lowering the vehicle, and I'm going to be putting in my engine oil. So I'm going to be adding in my oil. I'm going to be adding in a can of MOA. So I'm going to be removing my funnel. I'm going to be putting on my cap. Make it real tight. You don't want this thing vibrating loose. So I'm going to start up the car. We're going to let it run for a little while. Okay, that should be good enough. So you can turn it off. Now we're going to be checking the oil level. So I'm going to be checking the oil level. So I'm going to be pulling out the dipstick, wiping it down, putting it back in, pulling it out, checking the level right up to the full. Perfect. So that's how you change the engine oil and the oil filter. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.